This is Alex, the rail fanning redneck with, and we're getting Amtrak train 92, and he's super late. Well, not super late, he's an hour late, over an hour late.
We're about to get some good mechanical bells, too. See it right up there.
Get this crossing. All of you are idiots.
Look at these idiots.
Don't say that out loud. But yeah. But that's going to be on camera. I got them on camera. But hey, if the train was closer, the xene pool would have chlorinated itself. Goes Amtrak train 91. No, shoot, 92 to Tampa. Looks like he was rolling coal there. But yeah, I guess that's when you're super late. You gotta roll some coal accelerating like a maniac. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is Alex, the rail fanning redneck with.